Welcome to a Achieving Science video. This video is going to cover enzymes and what affects them. Well, first of all, let's remind ourselves what an enzyme is. So an enzyme is a protein. They have a specific shape. In particular, at the top of it, we have the active site. They are also biological. So what are they affected by? So let's have a look. First of all, what would the effect be if they were exposed to high temperatures? Well, at high temperatures, what we say is they are denatured. They are not destroyed. We need to use that word denatured. What we mean by this is that the shape of the active site changes, and therefore the active site no longer fits that of the substrate which you could bind to it previously. Therefore, enzymes are said to work at specific temperatures, certain temperatures, and those which it works best at is called the optimum temperature. Now this can be shown in a graph, and is usually shown in a graph in an examination. So here we have a graph where temperature goes on the bottom axis, the x-axis, and as you can see it increases from left to right. Up the side we have the enzyme activity, where it's greater at the top and less at the bottom. We can see the red line which shows the activity of the enzyme at different temperatures. So first of all we can see that initially the enzyme activity increases as the temperature increases. This is because there is more energy. You can see where it peaks at the top. This is what we refer to as the optimum temperature, where the enzyme is working best. After this point, we can see that the activity decreases. This is where the enzyme is denatured, and therefore there is no further activity because the substrate no longer fits the active site because of the change of the shape of the active site. Is there anything else that affects then the enzyme? Well, how does pH affect it? Again, enzymes are denatured by extreme changes in pH. Again, due to them causing a change of the shape of the active site. And again, there is therefore an optimum pH that enzymes work best at.